Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I make these flower box pop-up cards using my Cricut. First I load the design onto my Cricut and let it work its magic. Once the petals are cut, I peel them off the mat and start shaping them. Afterwards, you're going to glue all the petals together to make a flower. I'm making a variety of flowers to decorate this box. This flower box is for a special friend of mine. I already cut and pre-made the box for the flowers. Next, I assemble the box and rearrange all the flowers. Sometimes it can take a lot of time figuring out what looks good, but you just keep trying. Next, I add some square pieces to act as walls. Once I'm done, I add the top piece, and now it looks like a beautiful gift. Here's what it looks like when you open it up. Thanks for watching!